Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable guest mode in Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. The first method is perfect when you're starting fresh. Simply open Chrome on your computer. When the browser launches, you'll be presented with a screen where you can choose a Google account to sign in with. Now here's the key part. Instead of selecting any of your accounts, look at the bottom of this account selection window. You'll see an option that says guest mode. Go ahead and click on it. This immediately enables guest mode in your Chrome browser, allowing someone to browse without accessing any of your personal data, browsing history, or saved passwords. Guest mode is incredibly useful when you want to let someone use your computer temporarily without worrying about them seeing your private information or accidentally making changes to your accounts. Now, the second method is for situations where you've already opened Chrome and you're currently signed into your account. Maybe you're already browsing or working and someone asks to quickly look something up on your computer. You don't need to close everything and start over. Instead, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see your profile icon there, which is usually a circular image or an initial representing your account. Click on this profile icon to open a drop-down menu with various profile-related options. In this menu, look for the option labeled Open Guest Profile. Click on it, and Chrome will immediately launch a new guest browsing window. This new window operates completely separately from your signed-in profile, meaning the guest can browse freely without affecting your tabs, history, bookmarks, or any other personal data. It's a quick and convenient way to share your browser while keeping your information secure. And that's it. You now know two simple methods to enable guest mode in Chrome, whether you're opening the browser fresh or already working in your account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.